everybody? We're out here at El Campo. It's a CBA competition, and today Eddie Morales, Pitfather BBQ, has agreed to let us film his chicken trim. So we're gonna go check out his chicken trim. Man, he's parked right here beside us. So follow me. We head over and watch Eddie. Yeah, chickens are in our trailer, huh? Yeah. She's filming already.
Oh yeah,
filming your logo right now. Oh. That's pretty fucking cool, dude. And we can do it wherever you want. You want to
do it over there?
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's up to you.
You're just gonna do it in here, shit.
It's bigger over there.
Yeah, it is bigger. All right. We're gonna go to my trailer, and we're gonna film it at my trailer. We got a little more room in my trailer, so we're gonna get over there. My knives probably aren't the sharpest. You can use these. Actually, let me clean these off. These ones are really good. Let me give these a clean. I use these for chicken, but these are good. We're here at El Campo. Yep, El Campo. And Pitfather BBQ, and he's generous enough to show us his chicken trim. I've never seen the way he trims chicken, so I'm interested in this myself. Everything in barbecue, lots of people do things in lots of different ways, and man, we can always learn from each other, and he's always a threat, and we're going to look at his half chicken trim today. So, Eddie Pitfather BBQ, make sure you guys are following him on social media. Man, I'll post the links below.
Pitfather.
At the Pitfather.
That's it.
That's it, baby. So,
sure.
Shoot ya, let's get to work on her.
So, little HEB natural. 470, a little heavier than I like, but...
Was that a 4.7? Yeah.
4.7.
Or like a 4.3 or...
4.3, 4.4. Or lowly.
Right.
So,
yeah. And have you noticed a difference in box sizes between CBA and IBCA? Do you feel like an IBCA box is a little bigger, maybe?
A little bit bigger, yeah.
Yeah.
Used to do a 4.5.
Yeah.
You know, that was my go-to, but... And I've been trying to get a little smaller here lately.
Right. So
I always like... Because depending on how you're looking at it, if you're looking at it from the back side...
Yeah.
And I like to keep left side.
Do you? Okay.
So I'll take my ear and I'll come over at about where this wing starts.
Okay.
And I'll make my first cut right there.
Just on the skin though.
Just on the skin, I'll kind of peel it back.
So that first cut's on the other side of the backbone, huh?
Correct.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I've seen this before, so this is
So just enough to expose the whole backbone.
Yeah, I got you.
And then I'll kind of find the middle backbone, and then I'll cut right on the edge of it.
Those shears are no punks, dude. Those shears just cut right there, dude. They're fucking. They're
right. So I have just a bit of that backbone here, not a lot. Most of it stays on that side, and I like doing that. You'll see. So next, I'll come here, find that little
right in the middle,
the bone or whatever,
keel bone area.
Just a little cut. Then I'll break it. Then I'll just run my finger
down each side.
This is the side I'm not using.
Yeah. I got you.
I'll take this one off with my finger, with my thumb, and then I'll come here. I'll break that bone off.
Oh.
Now I'll take this piece out.
Right.
I'll take my finger here and then pull it from the bottom side.
Oh, nice.
You can just peel it back, and man, it usually doesn't rip that.
Yeah.
That membrane.
That membrane there and all intact. Nice.
So.
This is your good side.
This is my good side.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then I flip it over, stick my finger in here, and same thing. On this one, man, I'm gonna take most of that skin with me.
Yeah.
Keeping all this.
If
you only have one chicken, you're only gonna have one half.
Right. You're sacrificing the other half.
Sacrificing the shit out of it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all that's left.
Yeah.
Now we come back over, and then I'll take my knife, scoot everything, and I'll cut, man, about a quarter
of an inch. Huh. Nice.
So I'm done with that.
I
got all this skin to play with.
Right. Hell yeah.
Alright, so we got some there.
You got something going.
So next thing I do, flip it over, and I'll slide my skin this way. Take my thumb here, tail here. Then I'll just kind of shape around my finger.
Gotcha.
Take that off. Call this. I like to take all these little
gizzards or whatever they are. Little livers or whatever the hell it is. Yeah.
I don't want to give it a bad taste. So I'll do that. Then I'll come in here carefully, try to peel this fat off of this extra
fat that's in there. Oh, there's that little piece, whatever it was, a little something.
Yeah, a little piece of.
Yeah, or whatever.
I use part stubborn, so I just cut it, and I'll peel that back. So next, I'll just start cleaning all those off, along with that extra meat that we got from the other side.
Right.
You know,
just trimming it off.
Clean it up a little bit. I don't care if some of it stays on there.
Yeah.
I just want to get all this.
But you don't want to mess up that membrane.
I don't want to mess with that.
Yeah.
Not at all. So I'll get a little close. Take this little bone here.
Yeah.
Cut it off so it can lay flat. I don't skin. I know some people do, or Man,
Right,
let's
just
take
peel off
as much
whatever
as I
fat you
can
can.
with my
Yeah.
hand, especially this little like
Stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right back over there.
All right. So I will put the skin where I want it, and then I'll run my finger through here, just kind of tuck it just a bit,
Yep.
and then
Come on this side, babe, with the camera. Yeah, make a move just so we get some depth.
Yeah, I was gonna ask.
this knife sharp.
About to find out. Just blame it on my knives. I'm using Bill's knives here, so usually I have a sharp
Hold on, let me
knife.
get this.
So we run our finger across here,
I don't know how sharp my knife is, but we're about to find out, boys.
and then I'll just shape it, kind of round it off. So before I get all the way through, right here,
Yeah.
you see how I have a
Yeah.
little pocket right there? You're gonna go straight to that little pocket.
I got you.
Usually it comes off.
Right.
So that's gonna give us about that much. I'm almost covering the whole bottom of the chicken, really.
Right.
Come up here and just kind of round off everything out. That it matters, but
Yeah.
then however you put your chicken, I season my chicken in my hand,
Right.
but I always just tug, kind of move this and I'll start seasoning. That way when I put it on the pit, I can just shape it how I want it, right? But
You season your chicken while you're holding it in the hand like
chicken,
that. Yeah. So your chicken's all really good. You know what I mean?
So I do. So I'll take my hand here, hold the leg quarter, and I'll pull this back and find the joint right here.
Yep.
I'll take my knife. I'll pretty much just cut the whole thing.
But still leave it jointed.
I leave it jointed, but I cut, and that's pretty much it. And I don't pin my chicken whenever I go to season. I don't pin anything. I just.
Man, we're doing chicken trim, Stacy. Yeah. Bighorn just showed up at the chicken.
And that's how it's gonna go.
Freaking bird.
Man, it looks good. What do you think, Stace?
Looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm. He still got one to do, but we don't need to film the other one. It's going to be the same thing.
You'll have to work with this back.
I'm laughing at Stacy.
It's videoing now.
So there's Eddie's chicken trim. Man, hopefully you guys learned something. Share, comment. Man, hit the like button. Go follow Eddie. What's the social media tags, Eddie?
At the Pitfather.
At the Pit.
It'll take you 6 to 7 minutes.
Yeah. I mean, it was pretty quick. But yeah, I'd never seen it like that.
Crazy.
Yeah, man. But it was great. I can see why chickens always look so good. So, man, thanks for filming. And good luck tomorrow, brother.
Good luck.
Here comes the Pitfather. Pitfather BBQ. I'm talking to everybody here. I heard there was a boxing match between all these guys. It's a hornet's nest, as some would say. There's a lot of out there.
That's it, man.
It was fame.